What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Saigon Cribs. Brian here. So I'm giving you another tour of the same apartment that we just posted. If you just saw our last video, you saw the walkthrough that I did in the inspection, that I found little things that needed repairs, some areas that needed some touch-ups. And now I want to take you into the apartment to show you what the apartment looks like right now after all the repairs and all of the cleaning has been done. So let's go in right into this tour. Quick recap, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. Square meters approximately 73 square meters. Rental at $645 USD with the terms of 2 months deposit, 1 month rent, and 1 year contract. Again, this apartment is available right now. It's only $645 per month, 2-bedroom, fully furnished and equipped with the washer and dryer stacked. You can't beat it. And so you can contact us, let us know what your needs are, and we can also, do some customizations to the apartment if that's something that you're looking for. But this apartment is really nice. Really a nice contemporary style sofa here that they have custom made, and really huge TV. You have 2 ottomans there with the center table. Stone that also matches the dining room table stone as well. There is a ceiling fan with a 3-tone light there. Really nice light fixtures that they have here as well. And the air cons are by Casper. Now, what we did is for all 3 air cons, we have them serviced. Our team comes and do the cleaning. And if it's needed, we refill with the coolant as well. Also, there's free management fee, okay? So that's saving like $65 a month. There's also free internet Wi-Fi, high-speed internet connection, also saving you about $24 a month for your first 3 months. So hey, it's the fastest internet service. The apartment is fully furnished, fully equipped, ready to move in. So I just want to show you some of the things that we did as far as to prepare the apartment, as well as like the deep cleaning and the small repairs that we did. I'll go into the primary bedroom. Of course, like I said, we do provide the bed linens, had the apartment completely cleaned as well. The internet is fully installed in every single room, all right? So if you wanted to turn that other bedroom into and dedicate it like office space, let us know. We could potentially make some arrangements for you. The curtains have been cleaned as well. The sheer and the blackout curtains are there as well. And so that is perfectly ready. We also repaired the light around this large mirror, so that has been taken care of. And also within this room, if you remember, next to the aircon, there was a hole. And so again, we got that hole, covered up and, repaired, and a little bit nicer look there. Really nice closet system here. Not sure if, I did go through this a little bit in the previous, and we did some tightening of the hinges and things like that. Bathroom is fully cleaned. Nice sized balcony here. You can definitely put out a table and a couple chairs if that's something you wanted to do, to kind of have this little area as your own relaxation. They are finishing the highway, the expressway here as well that I mentioned before. And it's coming along. It is definitely coming along. Now again, walking into the secondary bedroom here, we have some of our clients that work from home. They have their own home business. Some are working in the UK or in America still. And so if you want to use this as a dedicated office, let us know. We can make arrangements to basically take out this bed, and then you can just put your own desk here, right in front of the window, and have a lot of ample space. We have some guys who do streaming, some are YouTubers, and things like that. So, content creators might want to use this as a dedicated workspace. Just let us know so we can make those arrangements for you. Another thing that has been added is the washer and dryer stacked. Hey, my piece, I told you, at Saigon Cribs, we gonna hook you up with a washer and dryer.
Oh, you got a washer and dryer? Of course, I rented my apartment through SaigonCribs.com. All of their clients get a washer and dryer. Better call Brian.
So this has been set up. It's a nice Casper. Also, the aircon's a Casper, and the dryer machine here is also by Casper, 7.2 kilo. You also have the Samsung. You can connect this to your smartphone. All right. Very, very rare to find an apartment with a washer and dryer, and we got you hooked up. Also, there's a hang drying as well. So if you want to use a hang drying, it's totally up to you. You have this massive unit here in the laundry area for added storage, putting in laundry and detergent and stuff like that, or even added storage for maybe your shoes or other stuff you just want to tuck away, right? So massive cabinet, open space here, so that is a good plus there. Hey, so if you're interested in this apartment, click the link below. You can fill out the booking form directly or hit us up on WhatsApp so that we can answer all of your questions before preparing this apartment perfectly for you. As well, this apartment is coming with free airport pickup. If you're looking for a place that's perfect for you when you land, we're gonna pick you up directly from the airport and take you directly to your brand new apartment. Also, check out the next video where we're gonna take a tour around the complex. I just wanna show you what's around, the shops that are around, and everything that's within the complex. Is really, really convenient. You're definitely gonna wanna check this out. So check out this next video, and I'll see you soon. Peace.